Stop it!
The magnet's going crazy! We have to find a way to shut it down! Now what do we do? Throw it into a volcano! What? Could work. Maybe we should get it back to Maxwell's quick! Just try not to point it at anything made of metal along the way!
Oh! I can't control the magnets!
Yeah, I gotcha, DJ! Leave it to Luke! And Scootio makes 3! Woohoo!
Phew! How are we going to get it all the way to Maxwell's? There's metal everywhere!
Uh-oh. Better take care of that loose bolt. Just need my trusty wrench. Hey! Huh? Hey! Come back! You're my wrench! The tools don't run away!
Slow down there, young bikes.
Sorry! Can't stop!
Who's taking my whistle? I order you to halt. Oh, I get it. Invisible Mike playing a joke, eh? Well, whoever you are, Invisible Mike, that whistle is police property. You can't